I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Korean green zucchini pancake. It's called AEHOBAKJEAN, Aehobak squash Jeon pancake. It is a traditional Korean dish. It is delicious and very easy to make with few ingredients. Start by releasing the water from 2 zucchini. Cut them into slices, then into sticks. Put them in a large container. Put half teaspoon of salt, mix well, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the dipping sauce. It's optional. In a small bowl, put 1 clove of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder, gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, and half tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. Combine and keep aside. After 30 minutes, the zucchini release the water. Put them in a piece of clove. Squeeze to remove the water. This will make the pancakes crispy. In a large container, put 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, mix. Add the little by little 1 cup and 1/4 cup of water. Add the zucchini, combine. Add some ground pepper, mix. In a pan heated over medium heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the half of preparation. Spread it well. Let it grill for 5 minutes. The fire should not be high. The pancake will burn. To save time, cook the other half of the preparation in another pan. After 3 minutes, check the pan from time to time so that the oil is well distributed under the pancake and it browns evenly. After 5 minutes, flip it over. Leave it for another 5 minutes, still over medium heat. After 5 minutes, spread half tablespoon of sesame oil on the surface of the pancake and turn it over. Let it grill for 1 more minute. The sesame oil flavors the pancake and makes it crispier. The zucchini pancake is ready. You can enjoy it as appetizer or a side dish. Bon appétit! This pancake is delicious and easy to make. It's a great way to get everyone to eat vegetables. You can make it with other vegetables: eggplant, spinach, bell peppers. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.